Open your book to page 263. This is lesson 9.3. This is to solve equation with variable on both sides. So let's go to example 1. You have 2x minus 23 equal to negative 15 plus 6x. So now you have variable on both sides. Remember, you're solving equation, you need to focus on the variable. So now you have variable on both sides. So you need to go and move variable to one side or the other. It doesn't matter which side you move to. Okay? So normally you want to move the one that's smaller numbers. Usually it's easier to do. So let's go and do that. So I'm going to move this to this side. So again, to move that, you need to go and to get rid of these, you have to subtract, right? So minus 2x minus 2x. So this will cancel out. So you got minus 23 equal to negative 15 plus 4x. So now it becomes the previous lesson, right? So now to undo this, you have to add 15 first. Add 15, right? So basically what you want to do, you want to have variable to one side and number to the other side. You need to get a number to be by itself. So the new step is you need to go and move the variable to one side so that you will consolidate the variables. Because right now you got variables on both sides. So you need to move one of them to the other side. It doesn't matter if you move this to this side or this to this side. Okay? Whichever is easier for you. So this cancel out. Again, none of your equal sign. Try to none of things as you can. Now over here, the signs are opposite, so you have to subtract the numbers. So it would be 8. And this is a bigger number, so you follow that, so it would be minus. So now you have to undo the 4. So this is a multiplication. So undo the multiplication, you have to divide. So you got x equal to, so try not to shift until the end. So over here, the end, you can go and shift it over. So this will give you negative 2, and that's it. Okay, let's go to example 2. You have 4x minus 5 minus x is equal to 13 minus 2x minus 3. So now this is more complicated than that, so you have to do one more step. The first step you want to do is you want to combine the like terms on each side. So you can just focus on one side only. Okay, so focus on this side over here. So focus on here. So you got 4x minus x, right? So try to combine the like terms because there are too many terms right now. So let's go and do that. So this will give you 3x minus 5. Okay. And now let's go and do the equal. Okay. Now you cannot combine this side with this side because this is like your wall, like your partition. So when you combine the like terms, you have to keep it on this side, you have to keep it on this side. So on this side, I can combine this one with this one, right? And so this will give you minus 2x. Now this is positive, this is negative, so you have to subtract the number, and you follow the sign of this one to be plus. Okay. So now you have this. Now this becomes like a previous problem, right? So you can notice each type is one additional step. So make sure you know the steps. So now I have variable here, so I need to consolidate the variables. So I'm going to move this to this side. So to move this to this side, I have to do the opposite. So I need to plus 2x. So that this will cancel out. Now normally I would do this in one step. So I move the variable to this side, I'm going to move number to this side. Okay, but if it's too confusing, I'm going to just do one at a time. But you can do both at the same time. You can plus 5 over here. Okay, but let's go and do this. So you got 5x minus 5 equal to 10. So now I need to go, now this becomes like the previous, one more lesson earlier, right? So to do this, you need to go and undo the 5. So plus 5 plus 5. So this will cancel out. So I got 5x is equal to 15. Now to undo the 5, again, this is a multiplication, so you have to divide. So the key concept to remember is you have to do the opposite to undo something. So you're going to get x equal to 3, and that's it.